Alright, so here's a quick video of me and my buddies hitting some local trails on a few different electric dirt bikes. I'm riding the 79 bike Falcon M that my friend Dan of EV Plug just got into the shop. It's a totally stock 72 volt setup, and I'm riding it in the sport mode setting. Dan is on a fully built Surron X running 72 volts, and Mike is on a Talaria Sting R with the 60 volt battery. You'll see them pass me here and there. They're clearly better riders than I am, as seen by the stupid fall right here where I grabbed the front brake by accident. Anyway, we rode for about 3 hours and only used around 50% battery, which is pretty impressive. So enjoy, and if you're looking for an e-bike, check out theevplug.co. Thanks.